Hi guys, this is Gaurav. Welcome back to Taurus Tech. And Xiaomi has kicked off its third annual Smarter Living event. Well, what is Smarter Living event? Smarter Living event is typically where they launch new products, new tech products that are related to health and home needs. This third annual Smarter Living event was no different than the other two that happened in the previous years. This time in the third annual Smarter Living event, Xiaomi has released 6 new devices that are specifically made for India. The first product that was launched in the Smarter Living event was the Mi Watch Revolve. According to Xiaomi, a smartwatch was the most requested product from the Mi Indian fans. Well, this smartwatch, the Xiaomi Mi Revolve, is a smartwatch which comes with 46mm dial, and it is a smartwatch, and this comes with two color options, that is a midnight black and chrome silver. This watch is set to go on sale on Amazon and Flipkart and also in Mi stores, and this is going to be available in India at pricing 10,999 rupees, which is very less compared to the Oppo smartwatch that was recently launched. The second product that was launched in this event is the Xiaomi Mi Band 5. So the Xiaomi Mi Band 5 was launched internationally like in US and UK, but it was not launched in India. So now it is officially launching in India, and this band comes with a 1.1-inch AMOLED display, and it comes with 5 different strap colors. The unit is going to be single, it's going to be black, and the straps are going to be different colors, so you can change. The Mi Band 5 will be available from October 1st in India, and you can buy it for about 2,499 rupees on Mi store and Amazon India. The third product that Xiaomi launched in this event was the Mi speaker. Well, Xiaomi thought that they can do better for the Indian consumers, so they started launching Xiaomi Mi speakers, and these speakers are a bigger version of the Amazon Echo. It comes with Google Assistant, and it is similar to the Amazon Echo Dot, which is a smaller version, but as you can see in the pic, it is a bigger version of the Echo Dot. It comes with a ring light on the top as well, and it has touch feedback. This speaker is available for 3,999 rupees on Amazon, and it will be also available on Flipkart and Mi store as well. Now about the other stuffs that were launched in this event. So Mi actually launched an Mi bulb, the Mi LED bulb, and this is going to be costing at around 499 rupees, and it is only available on Mi store. The fifth product that Mi launched in this event was the Mi Athleisure shoes. Yes, Mi is actually launching shoes, and these are sports shoes that are available, and Mi claims that this has a shock absorbing feature in the bottom and something different. Well, it is comfortable, they say, so it is priced at around 1499 Indian rupees, and it is coming in 3 different color options, so you can buy it on Mi store. The last and the final thing that was launched in this Smarter Living event was the Mi Soap Dispenser, and obviously, as you see, in 2020 a lot of people have been using soap dispenser, so Mi thought, why not introduce an automatic soap dispenser themselves. So it is going to be costing at around 999 rupees for this soap dispenser, and it is only available on the Mi store. So all of the last 3 products that were in this list are only available on Mi store, and the remaining products are available on Amazon and Flipkart and also on Mi store. So this was all for today, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do not forget to leave a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe if you're new around this channel. If you do want to see some of the products reviewed in this channel, please let me know in the comment section. I might just go and buy 1 or 2 products to review for you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.